AmericanElectric Energy, we don't just create batteries, we create freedom. Introducing Silverfish SF-2, part of our Mercury Edition. A lithium battery for those who always push further. Its charging port is optimized to protect every cycle, ensuring a longer lifespan and more energy for your journeys. With just one button, you can see the battery level, precision and simplicity at your fingertips. Turn the key to on to activate the battery, and to off to power it down. Its discharge port guarantees a flawless connection. It is built to support you without fail when it matters most. The safety mechanism secures the battery within the bike frame with a key lock, protecting against theft and impacts. A top handle ensures easy handling. AmericanElectric Energy, power, precision, perfection.